A clean sheet tonight at the Traeth, 3-0 against Menai Bridge Tigers, and your thoughts on the performance?
Yeah, performance-wise, I think we know we can do a lot better than we did tonight. It's a good win, like you say, 3 goals, not conceded again. But yeah, performance-wise, we were a bit flat from the start, really. In fact, no, we started the game well, we were a bit flat as the half went on, and yeah, we just got to move the ball a lot quicker when you're playing opponents like we did tonight, and sort of create a lot more opportunities than we did. But as the half went on, obviously we got the second goal, and we can't have too many complaints with a 3-0 win.
3-0, no, 3-0. They played well to think they're near the bottom of the league, but it was a great challenge for Porthmadog as well.
Yeah, that's it. You've got to give them credit for the way that they played tonight. I've seen them play a couple of times this season, and I think they're a better team than the league suggests, to be honest with you, and full credit to them tonight. They were a constant threat on the counter-attack, especially in the first half, so yeah, full credit to them.
Are we going to talk about the injuries? A couple tonight. Yeah. That's a minus point on the game. Yeah,
all 5 changes that we made tonight were enforced. We were trying to look after minutes a little bit anyway tonight, but we had to, the 5 changes that we did make the lads at half time, and then the ones in the second half were all enforced, but luckily they don't look like bad injuries, so hopefully we've looked after them enough tonight where they'll be okay for Saturday.
Saturday, Llanefydd. What happened at Llanefydd we need to forget and need to improve on it at the Traeth on Saturday.
Yeah, look, it's a big game. I said to the lads before, our recovery's been good in recent weeks from January and December. It's been a good recovery, but this is a massive test now on Saturday, and the boys know that, so we'll be bang up for it.
Diolch, Chris.
Diolch.